Okay, I just looked at the chessgames.com opening explorer, and that line c5 is hardly ever played. It's very inferior, in fact, I think, theoretically. Just knight c6. And, I'll try and avoid playing it, I think, in the future. Okay. So there's 2-4-5-2, huh? Very high rated player. Can I get in a quick g4, g5, g4, d5, g5? Maybe. I'll try. Oh, already this is not good. Okay. Why did I play this? That's totally equalised better. Pawn up. Quick d5. Just logical punishment. Okay, exchange of queens. Can I regain this pawn? Maybe h5, rook h4 comes to mind. Try and regain the pawn. Okay, I'll go for that. Nothing else to take. Yep, he's going to keep hold of his pawn, but bishop h6 here might be useful for rook g1. I'm hoping. For rook f7, that's a bit of a concession caused. So rook f7, rook g1. I'll play rook g1 anyway. What's going on here? Well, I just got rook g7. What? Alright, I'll just take on h7. Is that so bad? Strange. 2-4-5-2. I don't expect them to play like this. Just declare pawn up. Maybe just I don't know. Okay, so rook g7 here looks as though that's useful. Rook h8, just king f7. So I'll play rook g7. If bishop f8, maybe rook g8. Something stronger in. Hang on, rook h8, king f7. There's bishop c4 check. Isn't that really strong? I'll play that. Bishop c4 check. He's just weakened that diagonal. Right. So now, rook h7 here. Can I just pick up this bishop? Okay, rook g7 first, then bishop e6. He's just resigned. 2-4-5-2. He says he's got 2 IM norms. His blitz is 2-6-3-5. His 1 minute's 2-1-8-6. Blimey. Vasca GM is cool, he says. I don't know. Right, let's play another game. That game was a bit short and unexpected after having fluffed up the opening. So there's always hope in 5-minute chess, I suppose. So I've got this plan of rook h4 here, and he tries to, I don't know, he just fluffed up with that move. And then, thankfully, I find the check to be useful. So bishop c4. So that kept me in the game. Right, let's have a go again. So, 2-4-5-2. Okay. Going down in 23 moves because of that disaster trying to protect the pawn. Right, I think e5 for a change. I wonder if I can play something normal, like more normal, like f6. And no, everyone avoids mainline e5 stuff, so there's no point playing it. I think I'll just play g6 and bishop g7 now. Okay. Can I encourage bishop c6 here? I just pin. I'm releasing the pin. Now can I go for like G6 and bishop G7? Is it too slow? It might be too slow. G6, D4, Queen E7. Something like bishop D5. I think I'll go for it. It's ambitious. Okay, I'll play B4 here. Try and keep that closed. Ouch. Horrible pin. Okay, he's winning the pawn forcibly. Still, it's double pawns. Knight H5, F5. Sort of King's Indian-ish feel to it, which is what I like. Okay, so we've got a King's Indian-ish position with a potentially lethal light squared bishop actually after that G3. If I get an F5, what was that move, G3? No way! G3? Weakening F3 like that with no light squared bishop? No. Surely not. I mean, maybe he's getting carried away because he's got an extra pawn on the queen side or something. But F5 looks like really ripe. It looks like you know, it looks really cool to play F5 here. Okay, so maybe though there's a point to this madness. F4 looks dangerous. There's Queen G4 though. Tactical. Knight F5 might be threatened with Queen H5. So Queen G4, I don't know, Rook F6. Knight D5, I'll be giving up that thing already. Unless there's anything super duper cool here. Is there? I don't think FE does the job. Can I keep the tension somehow? Queen F6, Knight D5, maybe he's got a point after all. I'll play for F4. It's a sort of King's Indian-ish move. I mean Queen F6 here. If he plays Knight D5, he plays Knight D5. That's the way it goes. I lose that light squared bishop. I think I could play Rook F7 with the idea of Bishop D7, but he's still got Knight D5 there. If he wants the queen's off. So just Knight on the edge, bit of a liability. Rook F7. Let's play Bishop H8, Knight G7. Bishop H8, Rook F7, Bishop F8. Rook F7 seems a dual purpose move actually. Gives the Bishop F8 if I need it. Maybe the other rook can come. What's this? Opening this diagonal. Can I just solve the knight problem now? Just knight takes F4. Right. Okay. He takes. I mean, this diagonal's often nice to just rip open. I want to try and seize the c-file, so like Rook E8 if knight takes. Sorry, knight D5 takes, Rook E5, Rook E8, you know, if Rook E1 seize the e-file before it's too late. I could try and do that. So I put other plans on hold. Well, that says Queen F7 here. Knight takes F4. Queen takes F4. Queen G6. That's harmless there. Bishop takes D5 weakens his control of F5. I'll play G5 to kick the knight. He's got Rook takes Rook takes E8 though. Rook takes Knight F5. Queen takes B2. I think I'll go for this. These pawns all doubled. G5 looks as though he's going to come in with Rook E6 if I'm not careful. So he could have just taken Knight F5. He hasn't done that. As Queen takes B2 here. What's wrong with Queen B2? Regain a pawn. Okay. Take on E1, take on B4. I don't want to give that file up though. Probably get massacred. would I? Yeah, rook e7 will get massacred. So I'll keep the thing. I was rook e6 though. Oh, that one. All right. It's going for the a pawn, killer a pawn, huh? If rook b5, rook e1 maybe, queen a1, pin. Rook e6 though, that's probably critical. Mind you, any time he takes, there's queen a1 is a useful resource here. Okay. Queen a1, king g2, end of story. Queen a1, king g2. Is that really end of story? It looks like it's end of story. Queen g6. This is something tactical there. Queen a1. I can't see it. I can play rook a8, threatening queen a1. Queen. I think queen g6. Threatening queen d3. Maybe bishop f6 and h5. Well, I'm getting short of time now. Oh, I think I need to go back for this tactical queen a1 resource. I'm just going to block it with d4. The a pawn looks like a killer. Oh dear. I want to create a killer unless I can get onto. I'll take on d3. Maybe. Queen d1 here. Queen d1 and rook e1 because the knight's pinned. Queen d1, rook e1. Go for it. Mind you, there's queen f5. Queen f5. That's a pain. Queen f5. Then he's queening. So I've had it here actually. I'll play queen a1 anyway. It's got queen c8 and queening. Ouch. All there because it's baiting on f5. I think that's the end of that one. Oh dear. He mauled me on the light squares. Big past a pawn. I don't think I've got time for another game. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.